It's a mix of sun and storms for today, and for some of you, we're talking about heavy rain from the storms. We have a flash flood watch in effect for Cumberland County as well as points to the north and west, but notice Ocean as well as eastern Burlington, Atlantic, and Cape May counties all are out of that watch, and that's because we're not expected to see that much rain with these storms today. In fact, some of you could be completely dry, but as you head over towards the west, Hamilton's at 1.2 inches, Glassboro's at 3.7. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to see that much, but the closer towards the turnpike you get, the better chance for the heavy rain that we do see. And make sure if you see flooded water, turn around, don't drown. No rain for the early morning here. Temperatures will be rising through the 70s. We have a mix of sun and clouds. We have a southwesterly wind that helps to pump in that heat and humidity. And as we go into the day today, we're talking about near 90 on the mainland, low 80s at the shore. We'll get that sea breeze to kick in, scattered thunderstorms after 2 o'clock, mainly places in western Atlantic and western Cumberland counties. That being said, for the rest of you on the mainland, we're talking about another weather hazard, and that would be the heat. Heat index will be in the upper 90s throughout the afternoon for parts of the mainland, and I wouldn't be surprised if some of you get up to 100 degrees with our heat index, and that's just because our dew points are in the mid-70s. That is downright oppressive for any time of year, and of course in August as well in South Jersey. So here's your daytime planner for today. If you're cutting the lawn or you're doing some beach or pool time, you're looking good. But if you're going to do some strenuous outdoor activities, hold off to either the early part of the morning today or do it later in the day after 4 o'clock. Painting your place, I would say no, because you pretty much need a whole day dry, and I don't think you're going to get that, or at least a guarantee of that, really anywhere in South Jersey. Let's take a look at our rainfall coverage as we go forward in time. For the PM hours, we're talking about scattered coverage of activity, of course, along the shore. Again, this goes down, but this is just in general for southeastern New Jersey. During the mornings, we have isolated activity, so it's not a washout, but by the same token, it's really tough to give you a 3 or 4 hour window of dry time throughout your daytime hours as we go throughout the rest of the week here. And with these storms, we could be talking about road, stream, or creek flooding here. Temperatures go down for Friday, and that's because we have an easterly wind. That will carry over to the weekend. So on the mainland, it's actually a pretty comfortable weekend. At the shore, yeah, it is too, but we have a good amount of easterly wind breeze coming in, and that will help to create minor flood stage. So nuisance flood stage at some point either Saturday or Sunday. We'll keep you updated as we go forward throughout the week. Coming up later today, we'll be talking more about these thunderstorms as well as when we'll see the drop in the heat. You can follow me on social media for the latest in South Jersey weather, or you can go to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.